This is Barn Geek, and this is my friend Bill.
Hello.
We're at his farm, checking out his chicken operation. So say again, how much feed did you buy?
700 pounds of feed, and then 200 pounds of oats.
200 pounds of oats. Where you usually buy how much?
Normally I buy 1,000 pounds of feed.
And that's from using fermented oats. You've saved 300.
Yep, 300 pounds less feed.
Right. And you said they're healthier looking?
They're a lot more active, and they're shinier feathers, and they run. You know, most of the time when they get this big, you know, they're just laying around. So
yeah,
I think it made a huge difference.
And that's how many birds you have?
There's 25 in a pen.
So you got 50 altogether. How big are these pens? These are pretty cool.
10 by 10.
10 by 10?
So, got 2 doors.
Oh yeah.
You want to grab that side? Go ahead and open it all the way up.
Oh wow. Yeah. That's a pretty cool tractor. And you got...
So, it makes it easy because you can go ahead and climb right in.
Oh yeah.
You know, to reach the feeders.
You know how much it costs to build one of these? Approximately?
I'm not sure.
Oh, you built your own feeders too, huh?
Yep. Did you see that?
What you got there?
Just an eave troughs with some wood on the end.
Oh yeah.
And there's a piece of pipe for spinning.
Oh yeah. Nice. Was that plastic roofing too?
Yep.
Okay. You get that at like Menards or something?
Yes.
Cool.
And I have tarp sides.
Okay.
So on the hot. Normally I keep the sides down and I just open the back.
Right. Oh yeah. Gives them a nice breeze, cross breeze that way. That's a good idea. And then you got this PVC zip tied on there to weigh it down. That's a really neat idea.
So I zip tie it, a piece of pipe on both sides, the top and the bottom.
Oh yeah.
And with it having one piece, you can flop the whole thing up at once.
Right.
And it'll stay up.
They seem to be very lightweight and easy to move too.
Really easy. My wife moves them by herself.
Does she?
Come out to do chores, and
Yeah.
it's not a big deal.
Okay.
Piece of rope, some PVC,
Yeah.
and some kind of lift it. Just give it a little tug.
You don't need any fancy cart or anything to lift them and move them. That's cool.
I've never had problems with any raccoons or anything.
Yeah.
But as light as the pen is, I would think that they could get in it if they tried, but
Right.
I don't know. With the fence rows being right here, I don't know if because the pony is in here, if that
Maybe.
helps keep them away or
Maybe. You have a dog?
just up on the other side there.
Yeah. That might
So,
keep them away
it might
too.
help some, but
Very cool.
those 5-gallon bucket waters work super.
Where do you get those?
Wherever you get a bucket, but the plastic red thing there in the bottom I got online.
Okay.
I don't remember the website,
Don't remember.
but
They're
it was like
designed
$12.
Huh.
So it was cheap.
Yeah. No kidding. How do you fill it? Just.
You tip the bucket over.
Oh, okay. I don't want you to have to dump it out or anything.
Yeah. There's more than enough in there.
Oh, I see. You fill the bucket.
So just fill the bucket up.
Put that on.
Set it on there and
Oh, that's easy enough.
tip it right over.
That's easy
And it
enough.
fills up.
Huh. I'm gonna have to see if I can find those. Okay, cool.
I'd have to try searching to find the website back again.
Yeah.
It was like double R supply or double D supply or
Okay.
something. I don't know.
Cool.
But I like having them in the pens like this. When other people bring their birds,
Yeah.
a lot of times the birds are just coated because you have to change out the bedding all the time and you get tired of it and
Right.
then you don't change it out. Whereas these are on fresh grass.
Every day, right?
Yeah, we move them twice a day.
Twice a day.
So we move them in the morning, we feed them, and then we come out in the evening and move them.
Okay.
So, and it's not like super critical if you're super busy.
Right.
You don't have to move them, but that way they're always on fresh grass and their feathers don't get all nasty and matted.
Yeah. They just seem to be healthier birds.
So, I'm definitely happy. You know, most of the time when Cornish cross, people don't think of them being an active bird.
Yeah.
They think of them being a big, lazy, can't move, broken legs,
Right.
and that's not these birds at all.
Yeah. Yeah, and then you got the
So,
advantage of the fast growth too, huh?
Yep, and most people crowd them. You know, they'll put 30 or 40 birds in a pen this size.
Yeah.
But I only put 25.
Okay.
So that way they have plenty of room for moving around.
Right. Well, they're definitely
So it works
healthy.
for me.
Yeah. Well, they're definitely healthy looking birds. And so your secrets are on grass, right?
Yep, on grass.
And then the fermented oats.
Yep, the fermented oats was huge. Normally, every couple of days I'll put some apple cider vinegar in their water
Okay.
to kind of keep their immune system good, and you know, not a lot, just a little splash, and
Right.
I think that helps them.
Yep. Cool. Awesome. Thank you for sharing that.
Yeah, no
Appreciate it.
problem.